What's on, guys? This is Peter from Price Action Forex Limited, and today I'm back with another trade breakdown video which is on pound yen, and we are considering it as the trade of the week. And with this trade we have gained 101 plus pips with a risk to reward of 1:7.11. So without any further ado, let's head into the charts. So this is the 4-hour time frame of pound yen, and as you can see that market was quite in a bullish structure, and as you can see that price was creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and after creating this higher low, price moved upwards with a huge bullish momentum. So in the 30-minute time frames, we marked our imbalances here, and if you notice that price was engineering some sort of trend line liquidity at the lower time frames, and at Frankfurt open price actually took out this liquidity, induced sellers, and that's when we gave our attention to this setup. So just before London was opening, we were observing this chart, and when we were waiting for this zone to break, and just at London open price gave a huge push above, and we decided to take our entry. So we were waiting whether this was a fake out or not. So at this candle opening, price first dropped, and when it created its wick, we decided to go long because it was in a bear state at first, then it reversed. So we went long, and also we had our imbalances above which needed to be filled. So let's see how did this trade go. And if you haven't joined Scalp with PFX VIP and Scalp with PFX free channels, the links will be in the description below. Till then, see you in another trade breakdown video.